Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. My name is Buyucan, and on today's video I'm going to take you with me in Calgary downtown. So you stay with me until the end of this video because I will show you a lot of information about Calgary downtown at this time of pandemic during winter time. There we go, we're approaching downtown. And also we are going to visit Calgary Chinatown. It is located in downtown Center Street in the northeast area, and Chinatown is the fourth largest in Canada. The people, mostly if you see elderly people in Chinatown, they can understand English but they don't speak English. But some of them, they speak a little bit of English. So for me, I speak a little bit of Cantonese too, so I told them Pang Yao. How are you, my Pang Yao? Pang Yao means friend. Parking is hard here in Calgary downtown, especially during the weekdays, but today is weekend, so I will show you where I park. This is a place where I live also, so that's why I know this parking space. If you want to go for a walk in Princess Island, this in front of Harry Hayes building is the best place to park. $4 for Saturday and Sunday parking. 2 days you only pay $4. Otherwise you can park along the Blue River area and it's free. Only weekends. And I will show you. I live here for 2 years, so this is I love this place. So this is the Park Plus. You can get in here. The problem here in downtown Calgary is parking, but in every corner there's a Park Plus anyway. So because it's weekend now, so it's a little bit cheaper to pay. So and I park my vehicle there, so there's just beside, I'm in front of the immigration building. So okay, instructions, there's always an instructions here. Register your plate number. What is 0? Okay, please insert your credit card. That's the time I have to insert my credit card. Then it says, please wait. You want print receipt? It's okay. Printing is coming. There's my receipt printing. Now I have to get my credit card. Then I have to go back to my car. You have to stick this one in front of your car so people know you paid. You are legal parking. Otherwise, they put you ticket if you don't have this. And that's the City Hall building in Calgary. That's where the mayor office, politics people. We went there before when you're a baby. Right. Yep. Okay, let's go. This is, guys, the Chinatown area. If you love Chinese food, Asian food, they have the marketplace inside. I will show you. We're just walking here in downtown already for almost an hour.
It says Calgary.
Hi.
It says back.
We'll show you where the Chinatown is. My mom and dad, when they are here, it's their favorite place. to go and buy their own vegetables. So this is the Chinatown, guys. No, this is the China Mall. And behind that building, they have the market. So we are in Center Street. We are going inside the mall. I don't know if they're open. Oh yeah. Let's go, Maya. There you go. We are in Chinatown. On top of this, the second floor of this building, they have a restaurant, and they do dim sum lunchtime. Oh, so yummy. They have a Filipino store here as well. You know, most of the store here are Chinese, like, you know, or usually they are Chinese. This is a Chinese mall. They have a Chinese mall, but there's a Filipino store on that side. You can send your money as well, and they have Filipino product. When you are in Chinatown, everywhere is Chinese store. Sometimes when you get into inside their store, they don't know how to. They speak a little bit of English. Those side, they are Chinese stores. They have their own clinic. They have their own food restaurant. Okay, so these are just like, yeah, Chinatown. On my back, Chinatown. This is the Harry Hayes building. In just that whole area is like a Chinatown here in Calgary. They have more bigger Chinatown in Vancouver and Toronto.
This is the way that we parked our car.
Yep.
Mom, Mommy, come.
This is the Bow River.
Hey, the river turned into ice.
It's my favorite place here in part of downtown core because it's a corner and in front of the river. It's a riverfront, and it's nice to live in a condo units because you have your own washer and dryer inside. You don't have to share to people. That's the advantage when you stay in a condo units. Immigration building. I'm supposed to go to Princess Island, but it's getting windy and it's cold, and my daughter is complaining it's cold, and I feel cold too as well because of the wind, you know. We don't mind it's cold here if the wind chill is very cold and it's not good, you know. So anyway, I will show you more here in downtown Calgary. I only show you it's just even 1/4 size in downtown Calgary. Next time we have to get into Calgary, inside of the Calgary Tower. I hope I can show more for you guys, but it's a little bit cold, that's why we ran away inside the car.
Oh, Aiden.
It's okay, you're sitting down and we're resting. Mommy's talking with my friends anyway.
Friend.
Yeah, they are my friends. You see, I don't know them and they subscribe me and they even like me and
But they were your friend, like best
No, they are my friend in they are my friend in outside Canada. You know, I don't know them, but they subscribe me and they like my channel. So and they even share to their friends. So thank you guys so much for doing that for me, because I'm trying my best to help you guys as much as I can as well. Especially people aspirants who planning to settle here in Calgary. So why not? Calgary is one of the best city to live. You know, because Calgary is one of the cleanest and livable city in Canada, in the whole world. That was year 2019, if I'm not mistaken. 2019, one of the cleanest city in the world, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I was even surprised my mom when I bring her to, we went to British Columbia in Vancouver. We went to visit my cousin. So we went to downtown Vancouver, and my mom said, why is too dirty in here in downtown? I said, oh my goodness sake. Because my mom, we live here in downtown here in Calgary, and my mom and dad, they love to walk around with my son here in downtown with my dad, and they see it's very clean, you know, it's very, very clean here in Calgary, in downtown Calgary. And I told my mom, because it's Vancouver is a huge population, they have so many people. The only nice and warm province here in Canada is in British Columbia, in British Columbia. If you don't like winter, you better move to Vancouver. You move to British Columbia. So anyway guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again for my next video. And yeah, bye bye. Who's your best friend?